Welcome to Auto INSGHT, your trusted channel for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews and insights from the world of cars. Today we are diving into the all-new 2026 Dodge Daytona, a modern muscle car that redefines the future of American performance. Blending iconic design heritage with cutting-edge electric power, Dodge has created something truly special that combines raw muscle car DNA with futuristic innovation. The 2026 Daytona marks Dodge's bold step into the electric era while still keeping the spirit of the legendary Charger and Challenger alive under its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The Daytona is built on Dodge's new electric muscle platform, delivering both mind-blowing speed and thrilling performance. The car features the revolutionary Banshee all-wheel drive electric powertrain that produces incredible horsepower, pushing it to rival even the most powerful gasoline engines on the road. The instant torque and acceleration give you a heart-pounding driving experience, making the Daytona not just fast but electrifying in every sense of the word. The exterior design of the 2026 Dodge Daytona stays true to its muscle car roots, with bold lines, a wide stance and the signature front R-wing design that improves aerodynamics while giving it a distinctive presence. The illuminated Fratzog logo makes its comeback, symbolizing Dodge's return to innovation and performance in the EV space. Inside the cabin, the Daytona offers a driver-focused interior loaded with high-tech features. A massive digital cockpit combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly, giving drivers access to all performance metrics and entertainment options. The flat-bottom steering wheel, performance seats and ambient lighting add to the futuristic yet aggressive feel of the interior while still delivering comfort and style. Performance lovers will be thrilled with the sound system Dodge developed, called the Fratzonic chambered exhaust, which recreates the iconic roar of a muscle car even in an electric form. This gives the driver an authentic muscle car feel without compromising the electric powertrain efficiency. With multiple drive modes including Sport, Track and Drag, the Daytona adapts to different driving conditions and styles, ensuring maximum thrill and control. The battery technology offers impressive range and fast charging capability, allowing for long drives without compromise. Dodge has also integrated advanced safety and driver assistance systems, making sure the car delivers both power and peace of mind. The 2026 Dodge Daytona is not just an electric car, it is a statement of power, design and heritage. It shows that the future of muscle cars can be sustainable without losing their heart. This is Dodge's way of proving that performance and innovation can go hand in hand, redefining what it means to drive an American legend. The Daytona stands as a bridge between the past and the future, bringing the spirit of the muscle era into a new generation of electric dominance. If you are passionate about cars, performance and innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay connected with Auto INSGHT for more exciting reviews, updates and news from the world of automobiles.